เหรอ
Good morning, Shane. Bye bye, Pat, and Harry. Good morning. Oh, Shane, that is a very nice bag. Wow, it's a pink.
Harry, show something.
And also has the eyes of dinosaur. Wow. Wow, that is so nice, Harry.
Good morning, teacher.
And my bag has balloon. Good morning. Can we say good morning first to each other? Good morning, Shane. Good morning, Harris. Good morning, my bag. Can we sing? Good morning. Good morning.
จะร้องเพลงมานั่งลง
Morning. How are you? Morning. Good morning. I'm fine. Thank you. Good morning, Kitu. You say good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmate.
Harry, พูดเร็ว Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmate.
Classmate พูดก่อน
Okay?
ก่อน
Okay, Shane has a very nice bag.
เพื่อน
Wow, it's so cute. Color pink.
Morning, teacher. Good morning, classmate.
Yes, very good, bye bye. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmate. Good morning, Pat, Harris, bye bye, and Shane. Wow. You finished your breakfast already? Have you taken your breakfast already?
That's
Huh?
it.
Eat
Yes.
breakfast already?
Not yet.
Yes, not yet. Okay, you have to eat your breakfast first, okay? Item is coming. Hi, Item. Good morning, Item. Okay, before we go on further, I want you to prepare this worksheet with you. Have you answered this one? Harvey, Shay? Have you prepared this one? Yes, Pat. That one, Pat. Yes, Item, Pat. Change your worksheet. Harris, your worksheet, Harris. Prepare your worksheet, Harris.
มาดูอันผิดอ่ะ
Prepare your worksheet. We will answer this worksheet. You have your worksheet, this one, Harris.
Harry,
แม่
not
ภาษาเยอะ
to not to
Okay, bye bye. You already have this worksheet with you. Pat, you have this worksheet with you now, Pat. Harris, you have this worksheet, Harris.
Harry leave Bangkok. Next week, Harry come back.
Oh, you're in Bangkok. Oh, okay, ka. It's okay. Just listen, Harris, and you have to answer here, Harris, our question. Okay, Harris? Harris,
Okay.
very good. Even you're in Bangkok, you're attending Zoom class. Very good, Harris. Okay, now let us start. Let us start, okay? Okay, who is in here? Did not. Okay, I think all of you already finished the level 1. Okay, now let's go to this one. Keep practice counting from 1 up to 100. Okay.
เรียนก่อน
Let us keep practice from 1 up to 100. And next time I will give you a random numbers and I will check if you can already identify the number. Okay. Now let's go to this one. Welcome to our math class. Practice counting and writing to hundreds. So this is our topic.
เดี๋ยวขอให้ทีเชอร์ดูหน่อย
ดูอะไรอ่ะ
Okay, count. Practice counting.
ข่าวอัน
Is
นี้นับนะ
somebody coming?
ฟัง
And hi, Nisha. Good morning, Nisha. Good morning. You have to prepare this worksheet, Nisha, okay? Prepare this worksheet. And let us keep practice counting from 1 up to 100. Practice counting and writing, okay? From 1 up to
Count to 100, 100.
19, 20.
And you have to
Count to 100, come and count with me. Count to 100, come and count with me. I can count from 20 to 40. I can count from 20 to 40. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Count to 100, come and count with me.
you have to count.
Count to 100, come and count with me. I can count from 40 to 60. I can count from 40 to 60. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49,
Open your mouth.
50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Count to 100, come and count with me. Count to 100, come and count with me. I can count from 60 to 80. I can count from 60 to 80. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Count to 100, come and count with me. Count to 100, come and count with me. I can count from 80 to 100. I can count from 80 to 100. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Count to 100, come and count with me. Count from 1 to 100. I can count from 1 to 100.
Okay, count from 1 up. Everybody open your mouth.
4 planes become 8. 5 dolls become 10.
Now let's go to this one now.
12. And I can double them again.
Okay, let's go to this one first. Okay, now let us go to this one now, okay? This is just like your worksheet, okay? This is just like your worksheet. You have to answer your worksheet like this. Okay, your worksheet now is from 1 up to 100, okay? Your worksheet now is from 1 up to 100. Fill in the missing number. You have to fill in the missing number in your worksheet, right?
เก่งเก่งเก่ง
2 ชั้น
Are you answering your
สอง
worksheet
ชา
now?
เลยอีกส่วนเท่านั้นก็จบ
ทีนี้
Are you answering your worksheet now? Okay, here is the guide for you to finish answering your worksheet. All of us, let us help all together to count this one. We will all fill the missing number here. So you can answer your worksheet, and after this one, all of you will count from 1 up to 100, 1 by 1, okay?
วัน by วันฮาริส
First, let us do this one. Practice first, practice, and then you can do it by yourself, okay? Okay, now let's go. 1. Next number is, Baibang, look at here, Harry.
แล้วก็อะไร
Number, you look at here.
สอง
Answer ready, Shane, very good. Okay, look at here, Shane. All of you, if you finish, so if you're still doing, you have to cooperate first. Let us answer this one all together, okay? Because after this one, you will go to level 2 challenge. You will count from 1 up to 100. Okay, let's start. 1.
One,
Okay, answer this one first. Bye, Bang. Shane.
Bye bye.
Bye, Bang. Shane. Teacher, answer this one. Okay, 2. All together. 2. Harriet, answer this
น้องขยับ
one.
เข้ามาขยับเข้ามา
Okay, 3.
ตอบข้อเลยแล้วเราทำถึง
Three,
Okay.
four,
Go.
Oh, yes. All of you.
five,
Yes.
six,
Yes. 7. Then, 8. Next. Next. 8. You're the one who will.
eight,
8. Then, 9.
nine,
All of you. Item.
น้องต้อง
You
ยังไง
have to put here item. 10. Okay, very good. Teacher, look at here, teacher. Bye bye, look at here first. Okay. 11.
seven แล้ว
12. Next. Next.
เดี๋ยว
Look at here,
นับ
Shane.
ก่อนนับตามที่
You help us, Shane. Help us answer this one, Shane. Bye bye, teacher. Help us answer.
ไปบ้าง14
Okay. 14. Item, look at here. 15. Okay. 16. 17. 18. 19.
มาทีเวนตี้
20.
21
Okay, 23. Felen 23. 24. Okay, 25.
27
27. Felen 27. And then next, 28. Next, next, 29.
30
Okay, look at here first. Look at here first.
Forty-two.
Teacher, okay, open your mouth first. And always look at here. And look at here first. I want you first. I want to see your mouth open. Okay, then pass. Okay. Now let's go. Next. 40. Here, 41. Okay. 41.
50.
Okay. Next.
ทำไมเรียนโคตีก่อน
Next. Here.
42
Here.
43
43. And then next. 40. Look at here first. Look at here first. Alex, look at my arrow. This one is 45. And then 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Okay, 51. 52. Yes. Yes. 58 here. Present 58. And then 59. 59. 60. And then 60. 1. And 60. Okay, look at here, Nature. Look at here first, Nature. And Shane. Answer this one first. 62. Bye-bye. Okay, 62. Then, let us finish this one. Let us, okay, 64. And 65. And then 66. And then 67.
7 แล้วลูก
68.
มา
Look at here, Pat. 70. Okay, very good.
71
Okay, 71. Yes. And then 73. Next, 24. 75. 76. And then 77. Okay, very good, Shane. And 70.
79
78. 79. 80.
ปัดที่ดู
81. Yes, very good.
กี่วัน
82. Yes, very good. 83, 85. Okay. Now let's go to this one.
86
86. 87. Yes. 93. Very good. Very good. Now look at here. 94.
93
95. 96.
แล้วเนี่ย98 100แล้วลูกดีแล้วกัน
If you help each other to finish the work, we can do it fast, right? You are all very smart, K2. Okay? Thank you for filling all the missing number here. Thank you for helping filling all the missing number here. So you can fill in the missing number in your worksheet now, right? If you are finished answering, you finished answer, Shane? Okay. Okay, if you are finished, we still have 10 minutes. You can start the level 2. Who can do first? Who can count from 1 up to 100? Shane, you can do it first, or Nisha, 10. Who can do first? Count from 1 up to 100. Who will do first? The level 2 challenge. Shane, okay. Shane will do it first. Okay, let us listen and listen to Shane. Shane will do for the first second level. Shane will count from 1 up to 100. Okay? Are you ready, Shane?
2 กับ 4
Okay.
ใช่ถูกต้อง
3, 2, 1. Start, Shane.
แค่ที่ตารางสอง
Very
เนี่ย
good,
2
Shane.
ข้างหน้าอยู่ข้างหลังวางนั่นแหละ
Very good.
ก็ต้องจะ2 กับ 5 2 ข้างหน้า 5 ข้างหลังนั่นแหละตารางทาง 5 ข้างหลัง
Very good, Shane.
44, 45, 46,
ห้า
41
อยู่ไหนลูก
49 50
yes very
52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59
very good change
โอ้แบบไหนอ่ะมันก็บอก64 65 66 67 68
very good
แบบนี้เหรอหกเนี่ยอยู่สุด
นี่หกสองข้างหน้าหกข้างหลัง
นี่เหรอหน้านี้เหรอลูก
วางถัดกัน
หน้าหนึ่งข้างหน้า
สองเลขสอง
โอ้โหมันเป็นหนึ่งแล้วมันเป็นหนึ่ง
ไหน
เนี่ย
สองแล้วก็เลขอันนี้
very good change
เก่งมากเลย
so happy and very proud of you very good change okay I think can do next Nature or Baibang who will do next
ขอขนมหน่อย
Nature or Baibang very good Shane I am so happy and very proud of you Ching 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 okay who will go next Nisha or Baibang Harich okay Nisha go first Nisha okay Nisha and Nisha are you ready and 3 2 1 start Nisha okay
two
yes yes yes
ยังรู้ตัวหนู
yes
ทำไมหนูเขียนหนูต้องโยนติมได้ไหม
yes
เอาไหมอยู่ไหน
okay
ดินสอไปไหนไปหานั่งดีนั่ง
yes
ดี
12 13 14 15
yes Nisha
17
yes
18 19 20
yes
71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 30
yes
31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52
53
53
yes
55 56 57
hello James good morning James
59 60
yes very good Nisha
61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70
yes very good
72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100
yes I am so happy for you, teacher, and I'm so proud of you. You made it, teacher. Very good, teacher. Now you finished the level 2 for today because we don't have enough time. Okay, so for our level 2, Shane and Nietzsche finished. So you need to attend our for next Yes, Thursday. I think our next math will be on Thursday. So all of you, we will start right away the challenge so we can catch the time, okay? But for today, we already finished Nietzsche and Shane for our level 2. Okay. Then you have to prepare on Thursday, okay? Harris, Pat, okay, all of you people who did not, who cannot catch the, we cannot catch the time, we don't have time anymore. So we need to continue this one Thursday, okay? Thursday, you need to count from 1 up to 100. You are very good. Okay, this one is not yet. This one is not yet. This one is,
Let's go.
I suppose we can do this one, but we don't have time. Okay, this one is, you know this one? Elsa. You know Elsa?
Elsa.
Is this Elsa? Okay, but we cannot do Elsa today. We need to go to this one. No, not this one. No. Okay, not this one. So we finished the level 2 for Shane and Nietzsche. Let's continue again Thursday. Okay, Kitu? Okay, continue learning. Practice counting. Okay, practice count and practice writing from 1 up to 100. Okay. Okay, so I want to say thank you to all of you for listening. Thank you for answering the worksheet. Okay, thank you, Ka. Thank you, and I'll see you again on tomorrow for our science. Okay, Kitu? Okay, thank you so much, Nika. Bye-bye. Next item. 10, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you, Kitu. Thank you, Ka.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bye-bye.
น้องเขียนสวยเขียน
Okay,
เก่ง
next
มาก
time you will count, okay? So you need to practice counting from 1 up to 100. Okay, bye. Thank you. Have
อาจจะให้แม่สอนสัตว์ธรรมะก็ได้